Hey friends, welcome back to another vlog in Egypt. What is the plan today? Breakfast, then massage and snorkeling. And we will go to breakfast now in the last minutes and then massage. 30 euro for 1 hour. I never did this before, but Ollie said, "Oh, you need to do this. It's cheap." So, okay, let's try it, and I hope I'm getting surprised. Ah, so schön. This is our room here, hotel room, and this is our VIP room. We are in Egypt. Hurghada. Hurghada is 5 hours with car from Cairo. You will see Cairo with us next week, so please stay tuned, subscribe, like and share so you will not missing the adventures with Ollie and me if you hit the bell. So and write in the comments if you were before in Egypt and in which cities would be interesting. So now let's go. Welcome back to another vlog. Oliver Gagas and Jui.
So now I asked the security here if we can eat that. Das ist Datum.
Yeah.
Or dates in English.
Dates,
Yeah.
datum.
The dates. And then security told me, because they have security here, no? The security told me, yes, you can eat it. And then he gave me dattel. So you can eat dattel because from the tree, from the tree to table.
On the palmen.
From the palm tree to my mouth.
Wow, let's try.
So now I'm going to try it because here you need to be friendly, you need to say hi, hello, and then ask. Always ask.
Yeah. I learned from him because I don't ask so much. I don't know
Shy.
why. Yeah, I'm a little bit shy.
But Oli
But Ollie is not so much shy.
always ask.
And that's why we are a good combination. Or?
So I will try now.
Yeah.
I will try now.
And now he's dead.
No.
Was? Me?
The- This is security.
Ja, schmeckt wie Datteln. Guck mal, hier ist ein Mülleimer. Hm?
Italiano?
No, German.
The guy who gave me that.
Yeah.
German?
Egypt.
Arabic, no?
Egypt.
You are from here.
So, friends, this is the Bel Air Hotel. You need to know Azur. Azur is a company. Hello. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's so friendly here. Azur is a company of a chain of 3 hotels, right? 3 hotels. And 3 hotels. We are in Arabia Azur, and this is Bel Air, and there's Arabella, yeah. And it's so beautiful. Hey friends.
Yeah.
This is part 2 because I used the face cam.
Hello, friends.
Hey friend, we finished the massage, and how do you feel, Ollie?
For me, it's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
On the first part, you said, I feel so good.
Yeah, he asked me soft, medium, or hard.
Yeah, me
massage.
too.
Said
And you
hard.
said medium?
Hard.
Hard. I said medium.
But hard is like a medium.
Okay,
So
what we will do?
That's why I wear the same t-shirt from yesterday, because I know we got a lot of oil after massage.
But now we're getting naked because we go to the beach.
I think we have to
And-
eat first.
And we're eating.
Then lunch.
My God, these are Filipino, always eating
Rice
rice.
and Oreos.
Yeah,
Before
1 a.m. we
the
have now.
later we don't have energy to swim.
You don't have energy to swim.
Yeah, that's why we need to eat first.
Thank
and
God. Again.
enjoy the inclusive.
But you know we have a bar, eating bar there.
I'll make a vlog also later if we are going to the beach.
Yeah, please subscribe him. He is speaking Tagalog and he's very friendly. He's a really friendly Oliver.
Okay, now I know.
So let's go to snorkeling. So friends, we are going now to the beach. First time I will show it to Oliver because he never was there before, and I hope he has so much fun with snorkeling. We have this here, snorkeling, and I have a big face. Yeah, you see, and yeah, let's go.
Like this, huh?
Friends, suddenly I was alone in the water. There was so big fishes, and he, our Filipino from the sunniest area in the world, was so fast gone. Oli, what do you say?
It's because there's something wrong. Something happened with me, bad experience. Because I want to look at you. Then when I look in the under the sea,
Yeah.
I can see only corals, a lot of corals.
Yeah, it was beautiful, right?
A lot of there's a big fishes, and then I said, oh, I don't want to go there anymore because it's very deep, no?
Yeah.
And I need to go back. Suddenly, when I went back to the here in this direction, I fall. I cannot. My hair, a lot of water in my mouth. This
Oh.
one.
Really?
So, I need to get up again so I can get the water, you know. I need to put it back.
Do you want to try out my?
No, and then because I lost my energy to swim,
Oh.
I need to go. So, but I cannot stand because still a little bit of because I'm small.
And then you hold it on me.
Then I said, "Oh, Joey, help me because I'm drowning." Look, yeah, I'm drowning.
Okay.
I drown and then
But there was, guck mal, da sind doch überall diese Bojen, the bows.
yeah, and then I said, "I'm drowning and no one is watching, no, because you are in the other side direction."
Okay.
I said, "Oh Lord, help me because I need to go back because I lost my energy, I lost my breath."
Mhm.
So what did I do? I need to swim, and then I need to get up and then
Yeah, you need to push.
yeah, and then
Push
I
out
began-
the water.
And I said, "Oh Lord, please help me! I need to stand up so I can." And then there's a big stone, but there's a lot of corals there, and then big stone. So and they need to stand up. Oh, thank you, Lord! I need to breath like that. But I need to go swim again so I can go to that here. And then I said, "Hi, Lord, thank you," because I'm drowning. My my feet like this, my feet. Yeah. I said, "Oh," when I went there, "Oh, Joe is there." And then the people working here, the people who are working here, I talked to him and then, "Oh, hello, my friend. Where are you from? Philippines. Oh, yesterday I saw dolphins, 2 dolphins here." And he said, "Did you see shark?" No, I didn't say shark. Then is there shark here? No, it's my 4 years here, but dolphin yesterday. I saw dolphins here.
Yeah, sometimes they are
At
here.
12
And
o'clock.
turtles sometimes.
Yeah, dolphins.
But if you have luck. So friends, this is the time I need to say, please subscribe, hit the bell, because we will make a dolphin tour in few days, right, Ollie?
Yeah, that's why I said I don't want to snorkeling anymore in the deep. Maybe in the
Yeah.
not so.
But friends, the dolphin tour is in the middle of the sea. So yeah, we will see. So soon Mayon.
So, and how did you feel? Wait, what is the name of this fish? The big one, the flat.
The flat,
Yeah.
I think
Only see it in the aquarium.
Stachelrochen, not Stachelbeere, Stachelrochen, but I don't know exactly name in English.
Yeah, I can see it only in
But-
the aquarium.
Yeah, he's not friendly.
Yes?
He's toxic here.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't touch him. This is rule number 1. Use this and don't touch anything because it's toxic or not friendly. So this is our beach here. This is the hotel. This is the beach. This is the Filipino. And this is our place where we're sitting.
I need to relax because I lost my breath.
He lost his breath. Ah, so beautiful.
We're going to watch the shark.
And we need to watch the vlogs of our friends still, like Mamiros and Dong.
Oh, even if we are in the vacation, we are watching the vlog of our friends.
Yeah, of course.
No?
Of course.
Because
So-
you are good friends. Because you just play their vlogs there. Even if we are in the vacation. No?
Yes. How was your day?
My day is... I told you before that today is not so my day.
Hmm.
No? Because of what happened. Problem, another problem, another problem. But after that, we end this day with a bang. With a bang.
Yeah.
With just like this.
The problem was we started the day with a massage, but just troubled. So I don't know, but I think the day was okay. Was nice. I saw so many fishers. Oh, and the massage, but the massage was not so good, but it's okay. So I will end this vlog now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe Joey Reminho, please, because he get a lot of views now, he get a lot of subscribers, and he's very happy.
I mean, subscribe Oliver Kagas, and yeah, of course, me if you want. I would like it.
I hope I like it.
I hope I like it, and you enjoy the videos, and yeah. And
Skip the ads.
here's a special video for you. This is one of my favorite vlogs
So
because this is my first video in this channel. Yeah, this is my best friend Oliver Kagas. This is the first video on my channel, so you can watch it here and you will know us better. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and watch this video. You can find here in the outro. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Buyers.